Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a look using Morphe's new 35M palette. So pretty. And of course I gravitated to the fall colors because why not? So here's another halo eye for you guys. If you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. So first I'm going to set my eyelid using Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Lid Primer. I'm just going to grab some of that on my finger and just pat it into my lid. And I'm going to set that using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Banana Bread. I'm going to grab some of that on this JH30 brush. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be going in with Morphe's new 35M palette. This is the Boss Mood palette. So to start, I'm going to be going in with Fired Up, this bright orange. And I'm going to be blending this into my crease using the same JH30 brush that I used to set my eyelid. So I'm just going to grab a clean blending brush, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills A6. I'm just going to go in right above that orange just to make sure it's not too close to the brow bone and that there's no harsh line. Alright, next I'm going to go in with Vampy Vixen, and that's like a maroony red. And I'm going to use this color on my JH36 brush. I'm just going to deepen up that crease a little bit. If you see the orange fading, you can always just go in with that brush with the orange on it. It's raining outside, so I'm sorry if the lighting's really poo, and it's kind of loud because it's like beating on my window. So next I'm going to go in with Sparks Fly, and that's a dark brown. And I'm just going to use that to deepen it up a little bit more, and I'm going to bring that onto my lid as well. And I'm going to be using my JH37 brush for this. Going with a little bit of that red again. So now we're going to cut the crease. We're just going to cut the center of the crease and create a halo eye. I'm going to be using MAC's 24-hour Studio Fix Smooth Wear Concealer, and this is in the shade NC30. I'm going to use this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A2 Flat Concealer brush. And straight in the middle, you just want to go like that, and look up. And if you want that line to be a little bit more precise, just take an eyeliner brush, and this is Sigma's E11. Grab some of that concealer. So I'm not going to set this, I'm just going to put on some Pop Star. Kind of like a greeny gold, but I like it. I'm going to use that same concealer brush for this. So next I'm going to take some Bright Eyes and blend that on either side of the green. You're going to blend those together. So I'm gonna go back in with Sparks Fly and just blend these together. So next I'm gonna do my under eye, and I'm gonna start by just putting in a little bit of that orange, the Fired Up, on this Morphe S20 brush. And just kind of smudging that under my lash line. Next I'm gonna go in with that Vampy Vixen and just get it a little bit closer to the lash line. Then I'm gonna grab this JH43 brush, and I'm just gonna take some of that Sparks Fly and really get that right on the lash line. Then I'm gonna use that S20 to just blend it all out. So for my liner, I'm just gonna do a really thin black line for the lashes to sit on. I'm gonna be using this LA Colors Precise Eye Marker. Just wanna do a really thin line. No wing. Kind of just gonna end awkwardly, but that's fine. For lashes, I'm gonna be using L'Amour lashes in Liliana. So I already put my highlighter on before, but I'm gonna highlight my inner corner and my brow bones using MAC's Whisper of Guilt Extra Dimension Skin Finish. And I'm just gonna go in with my pinky for the inner corner. And then for the brow bone, I'm gonna be going in with this JH39. It's a really tiny pencil brush. For mascara, I'm going to be going in with Benefit's Bad Gal Bang. Lastly, for my lip, I'm going to go in with MAC's Spice Lip Liner and Anastasia Beverly Hills Ashton Liquid Lip. So this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this look, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. I'm really feeling these fall moods, so get ready for plenty more fall looks. If you guys have any suggestions of any looks that you want or questions you would like answered, go ahead and leave a comment below, or feel free to DM me on Instagram. Whatever you feel, and I'll get back to you guys. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, night, evening, whatever time of day it is for you, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.